Hey everyone, welcome back to CLG Machines. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of pork production in China. Buckle up as we take a journey through the incredible process of raising, harvesting, and processing pork. Alright, let's start at the very beginning, the pig farms. Chinese pork farming is a big deal. Did you know China is the world's largest producer and consumer of pork? That's right, and the process begins with meticulous care of the piglets. These little guys are born and raised in controlled environments to ensure they grow up healthy and strong. One cool fact: pigs are actually very clean animals. Despite the stereotype, they don't like to soil their living areas. This makes maintaining hygiene on a pig farm easier than you might think. Ever visited a pig farm? What was your first impression? As the pigs mature to around 260 to 300 pounds, they're fed a balanced diet designed to boost their health and growth. Chinese pig farms prioritize high-quality feed and veterinary care. This ensures the pigs are healthy, which is crucial for the next stages of the process. What's fascinating is the level of technology used in these farms. Automated feeding systems, climate control, and health monitoring keep everything running smoothly. Imagine how much easier farming is with all these gadgets. Now, let's talk about sustainability. Chinese pork farms and processing factories are big on environmental protection. They use renewable energy sources and have efficient waste management systems. For example, pig waste is often recycled into compost or biogas. How cool is that? This not only helps the environment but also reinforces the industry's commitment to sustainable development. It's great to see such forward-thinking practices in action, right? Once the pigs reach the ideal weight, they're gently transported to the pork processing factory. Here's where things get really high-tech. At these facilities, cutting-edge food industry machines take over to ensure everything is done efficiently and hygienically. Now let's talk about the processing factory. In a Chinese pork processing facility, the pigs are first checked by veterinarians. This ensures only the healthiest pigs move forward in the process. Ever wondered how many pigs a facility like this can handle? In China, some factories process up to 55,000 pigs a week. Next, the pigs are carefully anesthetized using CO2 gas. This is done to minimize stress and make the process as humane as possible. No rough handling here, it's all about keeping things calm and efficient. And now the machines take center stage. Automated conveyor systems with robotic assistance handle everything from bone removal to organ processing. This precision ensures that nothing goes to waste and that each part of the pig is used effectively. Did you know that these pork food industry machines can process various cuts of pork with incredible accuracy? Whether it's pork chops, bacon, or ribs, everything is done to perfection. What's your favorite cut of pork? Let us know in the comments. After processing, the pork is packaged and stored at optimal temperatures. Quality control is a huge part of the process. Every piece of pork undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it's free of prohibited substances or antibiotic residues. This gives consumers peace of mind knowing they're getting safe, high-quality pork. Another interesting fact: Chinese pork processing factories are constantly investing in research and development. They're always looking for ways to improve food safety and quality. Talk about commitment. Let's not forget why we love pork so much: it's delicious and nutritious. Pork is a fantastic source of essential nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, and various B vitamins. It's versatile, making it a staple in many dishes around the world. Whether you're making a savory roast or some juicy pork chops, you're getting a nutritious meal. What's your go-to pork recipe? Chinese pig farms are incredibly advanced, often using high-tech solutions to ensure optimal health and growth for their pigs. These farms are not just about raising pigs, they're about creating an entire ecosystem that supports sustainability and efficiency. For instance, many farms use automated feeding systems that deliver the perfect mix of nutrients to the pigs, ensuring they grow healthy and strong. These systems are monitored closely, allowing farmers to adjust the feed as needed based on the pig's growth stages. It's fascinating how technology is seamlessly integrated into traditional farming practices. One interesting aspect of Chinese pork farming is their focus on genetics. Breeding programs are designed to produce pigs that are not only healthy but also have desirable traits such as lean meat and rapid growth. This selective breeding helps farmers meet the high demand for pork while ensuring the quality of the meat. It's a delicate balance, but the results speak for themselves. To ensure biosecurity, farmers and pig breeders strictly comply with quarantine regulations and ensure that pig herds are periodically health checked. These comprehensive measures effectively protect Chinese pigs, ensuring they remain healthy and free of disease risk. This ensures a safe and quality pork supply for consumers while demonstrating concern for animal welfare and public health. Quality control doesn't stop once the pork is processed. Every batch of meat undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets food safety standards. This includes testing for any residues of prohibited substances and ensuring the meat is free from contaminants. The focus on quality and safety is one of the reasons why Chinese pork is highly regarded around the world. The packaging process is also highly sophisticated. After processing, the pork is immediately packaged and stored at controlled temperatures to maintain its freshness. Vacuum sealing is commonly used to extend the shelf life of the meat, and each package is labeled with detailed information about the product, including its origin and expiration date. This transparency is crucial for building consumer trust. Chinese pork processing factories are constantly innovating. Research and development play a significant role in improving production methods and product quality. Scientists and engineers work together to develop new technologies that enhance food safety and efficiency. This continuous improvement mindset ensures that the industry stays ahead of the curve and can meet the evolving demands of consumers. One of the most exciting developments in the industry is the use of blockchain technology for traceability. This allows consumers to trace the journey of their pork from the farm to their table. By scanning a QR code on the packaging, they can access detailed information about the pig's life, including where it was raised, what it was fed, and how it was processed. This level of transparency is revolutionizing the food industry and providing consumers with the information they need to make informed choices. In terms of nutrition, pork is a powerhouse. It's rich in essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. For example, pork is a great source of B vitamins, which are important for energy production and brain function. It's also high in selenium, a mineral that supports immune function. Including pork in your diet can provide numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your meals. As we wrap up our exploration of the Chinese pork industry, it's clear that this sector is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. From the careful raising of pigs on advanced farms to the precise processing in high-tech facilities, every step is designed to ensure quality and safety. The commitment to sustainability and transparency is also commendable, making Chinese pork a trusted choice for consumers worldwide. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of pork production in China. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to CLG Machines for more fascinating insights into the food industry. Concentrate. Now we're taking a virtual trip to a Chinese pork processing factory to see how pork sausage and ham are made. Buckle up and get ready to learn about some impressive food industry machines in action. First off, let's talk about the initial steps of this delicious journey. At the Chinese pig processing factory, the process starts with selecting the best pork cuts. They use some top-notch pork food industry machines to handle and prepare the meat. This isn't just any old meat, it's carefully chosen to ensure high quality. Next up, we've got the grinding process. Ever wondered how pork turns into that perfectly ground meat for sausages and ham? Well, it's all about the machines. These food processing machines grind the meat to just the right consistency. Imagine those giant grinders working their magic, turning whole cuts into fine, juicy ground pork. After grinding, it's time for mixing. Now this is where the magic happens. The ground pork gets mixed with spices, herbs, and other ingredients. These pork food industry machines ensure every batch is consistently flavored. Picture huge mixers churning away, blending all those flavors together. Anyone else getting hungry? Once the pork is all mixed up, it's time for stuffing. Those sausage casings don't fill themselves. Here, more advanced machinery comes into play. These machines stuff the sausage mix into casings with incredible precision. No air pockets or uneven sausages here, just perfectly stuffed links ready for the next step. Alright, now we move on to one of my favorite parts, smoking and cooking. At the pork processing factory, sausages and ham get their signature flavors through smoking. Picture those massive smoking chambers, where the sausages and hams are hung and smoked to perfection. The smoky aroma must be something else. After smoking, the cooking process begins. These food processing machines cook the sausages and ham to just the right temperature, ensuring they're safe to eat and packed with flavor. And guess what? They do it all with incredible efficiency. These Chinese pork processing factories really know how to get the job done right. Now, let's talk about packaging. Once the sausages and hams are cooked, they're ready for the final stage, packaging. At this stage, pork food industry machines take over to wrap and seal the products, ensuring they stay fresh until they reach your local grocery store. Imagine those sleek, high-speed machines wrapping up the sausages and hams with care. Have you ever wondered how your food stays fresh from the factory to your plate? It's all about the packaging, my friends. Drop a comment if you're learning something new today. Let's not forget about the quality control measures. These factories have strict standards to make sure every piece of sausage and ham is top-notch. From the initial selection of pork to the final packaging, every step is monitored closely. Quality control checks are essential to maintain consistency and ensure that every bite is delicious. Now, you might be wondering about the scale of these operations. Well, these pork processing factories are huge. They can process thousands of pounds of pork daily. It's mind-blowing to think about the volume of pork products that come out of these factories. And all of this is possible because of the incredible food industry machines at work. So what do you think about the pig farming practices in China? Have you ever tried Chinese pork? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay curious and keep learning.
This is the video we created, hoping to receive support and appreciation from you all.